Greetings from Praia de Marbelo, here in Vila Nova De Gaia, the third largest city in Portugal, and it's neighboring Porto. And actually the whole region is actually Porto region as well, because from Porto to Vila Nova De Gaia it's only the river the well-known river that is dividing them apart. And this is a different format of my beach adventures, as now I am filming with my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So I'm really hoping you're able to hear me as well, despite the waves. And this is desperate times calls for desperate measures, because my GoPro is dead. So that's why I'm filming now like this. So yes, it is 3rd of February today, 2024. It is 21 degrees Celsius in the air, and this is the 4th beach of the day, the 4th beach adventure as I'm exploring. The ocean, Atlantic Ocean, looks amazing, so I really look forward to dive in right away. So you're gonna be able to see me how I run into the ocean. So are you ready? Follow me. Let's go. Now that was an amazing swim in the ocean here in Praia de Marbelo in Vila Nova De Gaia in Portugal. So I really hope that you're able to enjoy this beach adventure, and I'm really now, I don't know what to do without my GoPro, so hopefully this video from my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will work, as I have 6 beaches left to visit today, but also tomorrow, because today is day 2 of my beach adventures in Porto out of 3. So that's a wrap from Praia de Marbelo. Hope you enjoyed this one, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!